Hi guys, thanks for purchasing LifeTime Kit. In this, you'll get a more detailed walkthrough demo for the LifeTime Kit Webby tool. This Webby app is useful for webinars and online meetings like Google Meet. After successful login, you'll get this dashboard as a user. It is a simple and user-friendly UI to use. For creating a new meeting with your team, just click the new meeting icon in the left and then enter details such as meeting tile, meeting ID, and if you want it as public, click the checkbox near the public option to make the meet as public. And if you want to upload any meeting banner, there's an option to upload that. After all details entered, click Create Meeting. Within a few seconds, it will create a new meeting. Just click the history to see the list of meetings you created previously. To join, just click the Join Meeting button and a new tab will be open. Allow all the necessary permissions like access to camera and microphone. Like Google Meet, you can use numerous options like mute, unmute, video on, dock off, and you can present your screen to the people in the meeting. You can also chat with them and able to use hand raise and reactions options and able to view the participants lists. And if you click on the three dot, it will show you many more useful features you need. Features like screen recording, start live stream, etc. So that's the demo for the Webby tool. If you have any doubts or queries other than these, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you.